Suspiros de Angel. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 24 to 30 meringues. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 2 hours. Here is what you'll need. 1 cup egg whites, 2 cups granulated white sugar, a half teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon Mexican vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon ground Mexican cinnamon, 2 to 3 drops pink gel food coloring, 2 tablespoons multicolored nonpareils, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Step 1. Preheat your oven to a very low 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius. Line to large baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. It is crucial that the sheets are completely dry. Step 2. Wipe the inside of your mixing bowl and whisk attachment with a paper towel dampened with lemon juice or white vinegar. This removes any trace of grease that could prevent the egg whites from rising. Step 3. Place the room temperature egg whites into the bowl. Start beating on low speed until the whites become frothy and covered in small bubbles. Step 4. Add the cream of tartar and salt. Increase the speed to medium-high and continue beating until soft peaks form. The peaks should curl over when the whisk is lifted. Step 5. With the mixer running, begin adding the granulated sugar 1 tablespoon at a time. This slow process ensures the sugar dissolves completely and prevents a grainy texture. Step 6. Once all the sugar is added, turn the mixer to high speed. Beat for 5 to 7 minutes until the meringue is glossy, thick, and holds stiff, upright peaks. Step 7. Test the mixture by rubbing a small amount between 2 fingers. It should feel perfectly smooth. If it feels gritty, continue beating for another minute. Step 8. Gently fold in the Mexican vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and the pink gel coloring using a rubber spatula. Use a folding motion to avoid deflating the air you've just whipped in. Step 9. Fit a large pastry bag with a star tip, like a Wilton 1M or 2D. Fill the bag with the pink meringue mixture. Step 10. Pipe the meringues onto the prepared baking sheets, making them about 2.5 inches in diameter. You can pipe them into classic kisses or large decorative swirls. Step 11. If using sprinkles, lightly scatter them over the tops of the piped meringues before they go into the oven. Step 12. Bake for 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Do not open the oven door during this time. The meringues should be firm to the touch and easily peel off the parchment paper. Step 13. Turn off the oven, crack the door open slightly with a wooden spoon, and let the meringues cool completely inside the oven for at least 1 to 2 hours. This prevents cracking from sudden temperature changes. Step 14. Once stone cold, remove from the oven and store immediately in an airtight container to maintain their crispness. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.